students, today's lecture will data structure and algorithm. In this lecture, topic will be covered by collision and open hashing. Collision, when the two different value, the same value, then the problem occur between the two value is known as collision. In above example, the value is stored at index 6. If the key value is 26, then index will be h of 26 is equal to 26 mod by 10 is equal to 6. Therefore, two values are stored at the same index, that is 6, and this leads to the collision problem. To resolve this collision, we have some technique is known as collision technique. The following collision technique, first of all open hashing and second is close hashing, is known as open hashing technique is known as close addressing, and close hashing technique is known as open hashing. Open hashing. In open hashing technique, one of the method used to resolve the collision is known as chaining method. Open hashing is, let's first understand the chaining to resolve the collision. Suppose we have a list of k value a is equal to 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 37, 12, where m is equal to 10 and h of k is equal to 2k plus 3. In this case, we cannot directly use h of k is equal to ki divide m as h of k is equal to 2k plus 3. Their index of a key value is 3. Index h of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 mod of 10 is equal to 9. The value 3 will be stored at the index 9. The value of index of key value is 2 is index is equal to h of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 7. The value of 2 will be stored at index 7. The value of 9, the index of key value is 9. Index h of 9 is equal to 2 into 9 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 1. The value of 9 will be stored at index 1. The index of key value is 6. Index h of 6 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 5. The value of 6 will be stored at the index 5. The index of key value is equal to 11. Index h of 11 is equal to 2 into 11 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 5. The value 11 will be stored at index 5. The index of key value is equal to 13. Index h of 13 is equal to 2 into 13 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 9. The value of 13 will be stored at index 9. The index of key value 7. Index is equal to h of 7 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 divided by 10 is equal to 7. The value of 7 will be stored at index 7. The index of key value 12. Index h of 12 is equal to 2 into 12 plus 3 divided by 7. The value of 7 is stored at index 7. Close hashing. In close hashing, there are three techniques used to resolve the collision. First of all, linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing technique. Probing. Method description. Linear probing, just like the name suggests, this method search for empty slot linearly starting from position where the collision occurred and moving forward if the end of the list is reached and no empty slot is found. The probing starts at the beginning of the list. Quadratic probing. The method uses quadratic polynomial expression to find the next available free slot. Double hashing. This technique used to a secondary hash function algorithm to the find next free. Linear probing is a form of open hashing addressing. As we know that each cell in the hash table contain key value pair. So when the collision occur by mapping a key to all cell already occupied by another key, there are linear probing technique searches for the college free location and add a new key to that empty cell. In this case, searching is formatted sequentially start from position where collision occur. The till now empty cell is not found. Let's understand the linear probing through an example. Consider above the example of linear probing. A is equal to 3, 2, 9, 6, 11, 13, 7, 12, where M is equal to 10 and H of K is equal to 2K plus 3. There are the key of value of 2, 3, 9, 6 are stored at index 9, 7, 1, 5 respectively. The calculated index value of 11 is 5, which is already occupied by another key value that is 6. When linear probing is applied, the nearest empty cells to the index 5 is 6. Therefore, the value 11 will be added at the index 6. The next key value of is 13. The index value associated with this key value is 9. When hash function is applied, the cells is already filled at the index 9. When linear probing is applied, the nearest empty cell to the index 9 is 0. Therefore, the value of 13 will be added at the index 0. Let's consider a simple hash function as k mod of 7 and sequence of k keys as 15, 700, 76, 50, 85, 92, 73, 101. This is the initial empty table. First of all, insert the 50 and then 700 and then insert the 58. Collision occur the insert 58 at next free slot. And then insert 92 collision occur at 15 is there at index 1. Insert the next free slot and insert the 73 and 101. Quadric probing. In case of linear probing, searching is performed linearly. In constant, quadric probing is an open addressing technique that uses quadric polynomial for searching until a empty slot is found. It can also define as that it allow the insertion ki at first free slot from u plus I2 mod of m, where I is equal to 0 to m minus 1. H yes x is equal to x mod of n m h xi is equal to h of x plus I2 mod of m. We can put some other quadratic equation also using same constant. The value of I is equal to 1 and m minus 1. So we start from I is equal to 0 and increase this until we get 1 free space. So initially where I is equal to 1, then the h xi is the same h up to x. Double hashing. It is a collision resolution technique in open addressed hash table. Double hashing use the idea of apply second hash function to a when collision occur. Advantages of double hashing. First of all, first advantages of hashing is that it is one of the best form of probing, producing a uniform distribution of record throughout the hash table. Second, this technique does not yield any cluster. Third, It is one effective method for resolving collision. Double hashing can be done. Use a hash key plus I into hash 2 key mod of table size. Here hash 1 and hash 2 and hash function hash table size of hash table. We repeat by increase I when collision occur. Hash function is typically hash 1 key value is equal to key mod of table size. A popular second hash function is hash 2 key is equal to prime minus k mod of prime, where prime is a primary smaller than table size. Double hashing is a good second hash function. It must never evaluate it to 0 to must make sure that all cell can be probed. Hashing is well known as technique to search any particular element among the several elements. It minimizes the number of comparison while performing the search. Advantages: hashing is extremely efficient. Second, the time taken by it to perform the searching does not append to the total number of elements. And third, it completes the search with constant time complexity of O1. Hashing mechanism. In an array, data structure called as hash table is used to store the data item. Based on hash value, data item are inserted into hash table. Hash key value. Hash key value is special value that serves as an index for a data item. It indicates where data item should be stored in hash table. Hash key value is generated using hash function. Hashing mechanism: key value, hashing function, and hash value. Thank you friends for watching this video.